Hi everybody and welcome to another video on my channel. In today's video we're going to be exploring one of the most popular dealerships in the Dominican Republic called Vega Mobile. So right now we're located right in front of Vega Mobile, which is located about 10 minutes away from the Punta Cana International Airport. So we're going to be discovering all of the cars that they offer, everything that you can get here. When can you buy a car when you're moving to Punta Cana? Do you need to be a resident or not? So all of these questions will be answered in today's video, so keep watching and let's check out everything they have. So guys, as soon as you arrive to Vega Mobile, you're going to see a lot of cars that are displayed outside of the store itself. And outside you can actually see all the brands that they currently have right here, which are, for example, Geely, Ford, Mazda, Kia, KGM, Mercedes-Benz, so they do have a wide variety pretty much of vehicles that they offer. And of course, if you see something that you like and if they do not have it currently in Punta Cana, they can always import it from any other part of the country. They have 8 dealerships in total all around the Dominican Republic. For example, I bought 2 of my vehicles here in Vega Mobile, and the ones that I like they did not have right here in Punta Cana, but they shipped them from Santo Domingo here. So that's also an option. If you find anything you like, they can get it for you. So in this video, I'm going to be showing a couple of cars that they do have available, and it's very important to know, and this is a question that I get all the time, can I buy a car in the Dominican Republic without being a resident, without having a Dominican passport? It does not matter. So as a foreigner, you can definitely buy a car here. How it typically works is you need to register in the online tax office to get your RNC number. It's a very simple process. It's done online, and with that, you can buy the car here, and of course your driver's license. So it's a simple process. Myself, when I didn't have my residence initially, I bought a car, no problems at all. So it's pretty much the same, and you do have the same price. Doesn't matter if you're a foreign or a local. Now, if you've ever been to Punta Cana, I'm sure you've seen a lot of Asian cars everywhere, pretty much driving around. Myself, I have 2 Asian cars as well, so that is very, very popular here. Of course, the price point is lower, and you get so many features that you could never get with Mercedes-Benz, for example, because all of the cars are imported here, right? So everything that's made in the US or in Europe is significantly more expensive compared to US, of course, in Europe, if you were to purchase it there. This is why Asian cars are amazing here, very, very popular. There's a ton of them on the market and so many more coming. Pretty much every year we see new brands on the market with great prices and so many features. So for example, the one that I'm standing in front of is KGM. KGM is a Korean brand that is now very popular on the market as well. So for example, let's take a look at this one, just so you guys get an idea of what there is when you can get in this country. This car is a smaller size SUV. It is priced at $25,900. I think this is 2024, so it's a brand new mini SUV. And again, for only $26,000, you can't compare it really. Just to show you guys the interior of this car as well. Again, just as an idea of a starting point, so we're looking at, again, $26,000. This is about, I think this motor is 1.6 cylinder. It's a 2-wheel drive. Again, nothing too complex, but perfect for a small beach car. Brand new in Punta Cana. I mean, $26,000 is definitely a bargain. Also, it's important to know that this brand, in particular, the KGM Motors, is offering a 10-year warranty period. So normally in Punta Cana, in the Dominican Republic, new cars will give you 5 years of warranty or 100,000 kilometers, whichever happens first. But the Korean brand KGM is offering 10 years of warranty or 150,000 kilometers, whatever happens first. So it has extended warranty compared to all the other models and the other brands. So guys, the SUV you just saw is actually the smallest model they have. Now we're going to check out this one, which is the best model. They have the most advanced and the largest, which is called Rexton. So this one, I believe, is $46,900. Let me just check that real quick. No, it's actually $49,900, so $50,000 US. But it is definitely huge. It's got I believe it's a 2.0 motor, and it's a turbo motor as well. Guys, so Vega Mobile actually has 4 showrooms, and I'm going to show you a little bit of what they have in each one of them. So we just finished the KGM one, the Korean one. We're gonna switch to Kia now. Of course, Kia is a much more popular brand worldwide, and there's a bunch of Kias here in the Dominican market. So let's take a look at what they have in this showroom. So guys, just to take a look at a couple of Kia models that they have here. And again, they do not have all of them on site. Most of them are online. But what we can see here today, for example, is this Sportage model. So again, it's a great, well-sized SUV, 2025. So brand new car, priced at $35,900 US, all the way up to $40,000 approximately, depending on the package you choose, because some of them have higher features. You know, the more features you get, the higher the price pretty much goes. But yeah, this starts at about $35,900 US. It is, I think it's a 2-liter motor with 4 cylinders. Again, perfect car for Punta Cana driving. So around me, pretty much everywhere outside, you will see a variety of Kia models and of course other brands as well. So guys, we're now in the third showroom they have out of the 4. The third one actually is a multi-brand show, so you can find different models here, not just one like Kia or the KGM one. So I'm gonna take a look at a couple of cars here. The first one I see here is Lynk & Co. So I wasn't familiar with this brand before actually, but apparently it's a collaboration between China and Sweden. So it's a Chinese company that collaborated with Volvo, which of course Volvo is very well known, and they created this Lynk & Co car. So it looks pretty cool. Let's take a look at it inside so you guys can take a look. It's pretty modern. I love the screen already. So if there's one thing that sells me on cars, it's screens. Of course, as most women, I would say, but it looks really nice. So if you come a bit closer, you can see that there's a really beautiful screen. I see that it has Apple CarPlay integrated, Android Auto, everything. It looks really, really nice, actually. The stitching, pretty impressed with this car. I think I was not aware of this car, but it's really, really beautiful. So an SUV like this would run you approximately $38,900 US, again, for a brand new car, brand new model of this current year. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. So besides that, let's check out the remaining ones over here. So this one to my left is a Ford Territory. So again, a more popular brand. I'm sure you're all familiar with Ford. Again, brand new SUV. So let's take a look at the inside of this one as well. Very spacious. Oh yeah, this is definitely very nice. Again, I love the screen here. It actually, from the dashboard all the way to the middle, kind of extends. So you got one whole integrated screen. And yeah, generally, definitely feels very, very spacious. So guys, this Ford Territory model is actually priced at $35,900 US approximately, and it goes all the way up to $41,000 approximately, depending. I think a different model slightly higher than this one in terms of, for sure, you know, what it has inside. Yeah, so from 35 to about 41. And then next to this one, we have the Mazda CX-30. Now, this is a car that you'll see in Punta Cana quite often. I think a lot of people do have this car. And this one is priced at $31,990 US, so again, $32,000 US for a Mazda SUV. So this one for sure that has a much simpler design, but again, pretty decent. And it would be a good second car, you know, to have in Punta Cana overall. And guys, now we have arrived at the 4th showroom that they have here in Vega Mobile, which is dedicated exclusively to Mercedes-Benz. Definitely my favorite showroom in this entire dealership. Let's take a look at these gorgeous models that we have here. So this one right here is the GLS 450. Gorgeous, very spacious, beautiful screen that goes all the way. So you've got a lot of LED elements. Normally when this lights up, you've got pretty much the entire car has LED elements throughout. You got the panoramic screen, rooftop. Beautiful. Really, really no further words needed. So guys, all of the Mercedes cars here are brand new again. So 2025 is the make year of all of them. This one right here, which was the GLS 450, is priced at $165,000 Then to my right, the red one right here, we have the GLE 450, and this one is priced at 129,900. So again, 165, 129. Then the one to the right, the gray one right here, would be the GLA model. So again, a smaller SUV, but still beautiful, and again, brand new, priced at 71,900. So this for under 100,000, beautiful, beautiful Mercedes. Smaller, but still very, very gorgeous. So again, GLA 300 is the model of this one. And the last one we have inside would be the GLE 450, but the coupe version. Beautiful, beautiful black finish, glossy black. And again, the interior is very similar with that large screen that, you know, connects from the dashboard to the middle, and priced at 129,900. So again, guys, I just wanted to mention that all of the cars, all the brand new cars that you buy here, have 5 years of warranty or 100,000 kilometers, whatever occurs first. Except for the KGM one, so the Korean car brand that we saw at the beginning of the video, which actually has a 10-year warranty period, and it also has, well, 10-year or 150,000 kilometers, whatever occurs first. So that's the only one that's kind of got this extended warranty, so an exception. Besides that, it's important to know that here at Vega Mobile, there's also the workshop right here in the back. So that is also located. This entire place was remodeled recently, so this did not used to look like this, so now it's brand new. And they also included a workshop in the back, so you can get that done as well when you get your vehicle. So guys, that was it for today's tour of Vega Mobile, one of the most popular car dealerships in the Dominican Republic. Of course, for all detailed information in terms of car specs, price, year of makeup, everything that you need pretty much, definitely do reach out to them directly and ask for specific details. Of course, I'm not a car salesman, so maybe some of the information I say is not 1,000,000% correct, but I definitely try my best to kind of showcase everything they have here. As usual, thank you guys so much for watching. I highly appreciate your support. If there's anything else you would like to see specifically in Punta Cana, any kind of business, make sure to drop me a comment below and I'll make sure to include it in one of my next videos. As always, thank you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you in one of my next videos. If you'd like me to keep making this kind of content, make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.